Is everything working? Interesting.
Not in the North Pole anymore.
Alright. Okay, well, we're going to continue where we left off yesterday. Right now, when we're trying to do the mapping of the messages, it just fails. So then, when we go to the messaging screen, it doesn't show any of the messages. It's just empty. So let's try to find out what went wrong. Cool. Okay. So somewhere when I'm using messages.map, it isn't actually mapping the database message model to the UI model. So let's see. So I might be using the wrong function or something's going wrong, because I even have a breakpoint here so that when this part gets triggered, I should see that, but it never occurs and it always stays the same. So I want to rerun the program. Maybe even back up a little bit before this function gets called, because I look here at messages looks fine, but self.currentUser.messages has already like values, which I don't remember if I assign it now or I assigned it later. But let me see. Oh, it's different. Huh. Let me think. Alright, well, let's see. We're here to map the function. Messages contains these three. Just look at the first message. Second, nil. Why is all the content nil? Interesting. Well, anyways, let's just focus on these two IDs then. 45 and E9. Goes here. Then it should go here. Have the ID and the content, and then spit something out. But we see that it just skips over here. I want to... Then when I ask for a value, it says nil. Let me see. Okay, I'm just gonna kill it. Instead of using the map function, I think I'm just gonna use the for each. Try to see if that works, and then just move forward. I can try to diagnose why map isn't working a bit later. The priority is to have the thing done. Let's see, message. Cool. So for every message in messages, we want to call the function. What was it called? Message to message model. Message. Perfect. Then that'll spit out, what do you call it? The message model. And then I'll just append it to this guy. Cool. So that'll append everything. Let's add some breakpoints to make sure it's actually working. See that one back in. Yeah, I think this should work. Let's put it in here. Yeah, let's try to run it. Oh, we actually went in. Huh. Did the function actually get called? Huh, I don't think so. Okay, interesting. Still nil. Interesting. I mean, from the looks of it, it looks as if when I ask for the current user, this guy is nil, so then it just doesn't execute. However, by this point in time, I believe the current user should be set. Let's see. Oh, kill him. Kill that. Right here, fetch signed in user, retrieve user profile. Oh no, actually, wow, no, I didn't. I don't assign it till here. Oh, okay, so yeah, it's always nil. Yeah, because I don't have a user yet. Well, I don't have a user assigned. Let me think. I wonder why I have it. Okay, retrieve user. Hold on. Go here. I decoded, okay. Retrieve user messages. Why do I do that? Well, like, why do I do that now, I guess? Shoot, how do you do that again? I don't remember. Go to definition. So it goes here. Messages on auto. Retrieve this thing. Go here. Interesting. Okay. Now I kind of see why I did this kind of in the same time. Because when previously I had it, I would look for the recent messages. So I'd get the messages here. Then I'd query the individual senders of those messages, then retrieve their images so that I can display it on the home screen. And in that entire process, I never needed the current user. So in this, now that I added to like a map the current messages into, or not map it, but rather, what do you call it when you place it? Oh, when I assign the messages into the current user, at this point in time I don't have that guy yet, so it's like incompatible in terms of like timing. Okay, that explains. Okay, that's good. So if I wanted to do that, I would have to go down here. Literally I can just copy paste the function downstairs. Because by this point in time, I'll have the current user assigned, and then I can easily just map the messages and save them onto the current user. Yeah, okay, this is perfect. Let me go, yeah, let's just run it. Then I'll use the map function. I think now that I have it down here, everything should go smoothly. I wonder why I originally had it up. I think it's because I never used current user. So it's like, why? Okay, hold on. All right, let's do this. Message, cool. We already knew that. Oh, let's just, I guess fast forward. Nice, there it is. Should happen, nice. And then the count should be 3. Nice, all right, perfect. Yeah, I didn't think any of the recent messages here, this portion, should have gotten affected because that function is like self-contained, so there's no way just by moving it somewhere else it would have had any impact. Okay, nice, and it's actually printing the messages down here. I haven't put it on the UI just yet, because this is where we got stuck last time. Sweet. Okay. I want to try to get rid of this function and try to use the map function. Actually, I'm gonna just keep it there. I'll just stick with this one, which is just map all over again, but just, yeah, I don't want to bother. I don't want to bother with it right now. Let's actually stick to getting these messages on screen. And I want to actually populate this content so that it's not just empty strings. Let's see. 1 second. Let me open up. I'm using AWS, so I'm going to use what's called DynamoDB to populate that stuff. It's on my other screen. Cool. I don't know why I keep having trouble with AWS. Okay. Jeff Bezos is finally stepping down from Amazon. Interesting stuff. Crap. What is my Amazon? Is it this one or is it that one? This one. Nope. There it is. There it is. Alright, let me try to log in. It's just taking a while. How is everybody doing tonight? Ugh. Where's Chrome? Chrome doesn't let me down. There we go. Chrome isn't working. What the hell? Oh, there we go. Okay. So what is this again? So we're gonna try to populate the contents of the messages, but I don't know what I need to know which user to do that for. 1 sec. Message table. Wait, I'm looking at all the entries and I actually have all of the messages full. So then it's empty. It's probably because I messed up some sort of translation, I think. Let me see. Let me just try to run it again. Hold on, before this happens. Let's see. Okay. Messages. Okay, the content is nil here. Okay. I'm doing like manual message translation, like decoding JSON. So maybe I'm failing somewhere in doing that. Let's see, JSON results. Hold on, JSON results here, yeah. User JSON, message data. Oh, never mind. I can't read that. Those are bytes. Okay. JSON results. Get user profile. Ah, perfect. That's messages. Items. Okay. Already have 3 items. User profile. The ID of the message. Receiver ID. Why isn't content there? It's only 3. ID, user profile, and receiver. Huh. 1 second. Jump to definition. Yeah, you should have content here too. That's strange. Let me think about it. Yeah, okay. So something's happened when I query the database for the messages. I get everything except the content of the messages. So it's always null or nil. Okay. And this is where I do here. Here is when I translate from the JSON into the actual message object. I think that part is fine. I think I must be failing before that then. Okay, retrieve user profile. I think I might be failing here. Let's see. Yeah, let's do it right here. I'll have the data, which I think is JSON, or is it just bytes? Not sure if it's bytes or JSON. And then from there, I'll be able to see what I'm dealing with, see where I'm going wrong in the translation. Okay, let's see this stuff. Where's data? Okay, user profile, cool. I think 11 was messages. Okay, not this time. Email, first name. There it is, messages. Value. Items, okay. Here we go, here we go. ID, now it's still 3 items. That's weird. Let me see something else. So it's when I query the user. Oh, of course, I did a custom query. Duh. Maybe something went wrong when the custom query that I made. Oh, that's why. ID, user profile, receiver ID. I never put content. So when I make the query, I never got content in the first place. Content. Here we go. That should fix it. All right. Try this one more time. Yeah. Okay, and I need to change this too because I have it right now limited to 3. Okay. Okay, so this means, okay, where's my notepad? Well, let's just prove that it works first. Nope. 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 Ah, finally, messages. Three values, what? Oh. Nice, 4 values, nice. ID, content. Third message, nice. Okay, so now we're actually getting the messages or the content of the messages. But it's like a what do you call it? Two-edged sword? Something. It's both good and bad. It's good because I'm getting the messages. Bad because I technically didn't need them, because when I made that nested query in my custom queries, as you can see, I kind of hard-coded it limit to 3. So I'm asking, give me just the 3 messages from this user. And the reason why I had that was this is for like the home page. So then that's why I didn't have content before, because I really only needed these 3 things. The ID, so that when I do a for each, the elements are unique. The user profile ID, I guess I technically didn't need that. I could probably remove that. The receiver, I needed it though, so that I can map it to the sender or user. Oh, I always get those two confused, the user profile versus receiver, because you should be the receiver. So I could remove receiver, but the user profile would be the sender ID. So then I needed the sender ID so that I can find the image of the sender in order to show it onto the home screen. And then that's how I have that little preview of your recent messages, because this is supposed to be for the user, for the home page. Now if I'm actually going to do give me all your messages, I would need to make a different query. So I'm going to actually write that down for the future. So for the future, or maybe not even for the future, it's going to be next steps for the future. I need to update my Trello board too. Oof. For the future. So we're going to need to create new query. Where's Q? That retrieves. Need to create a new query that retrieves all the messages. Just all the messages. And what's the problem right now? Right now, we are limited to 3. 2, 3, and are using the recent messages. Request. Cool. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I just wanted to add that so that I could remember for the future. I'm pretty tired. Okay. Yesterday I had to stay late for work, and then I stayed up all night talking to someone really special. So, okay. Cool. So we're fine now. I think the mapping should work, and I think I should actually have the messages should be displayed on the console. Then I'll have it displayed on the screen in just a second. One step at a time. Oh, right. I'm not debugging, so you can't see it. Oh, wow. Man, I want to go snowboarding now. I see some of my friends going to Big Bear. I think they're at Big Bear. So jealous. I hate the snow. I mean, I love it and I hate it. Just skip through everything. Nice, using the wrong function. Okay, cool. Now all the content's there, we're good. Now let's just get it onto the screen. Yeah, That's the goal for today. I just want to get it on the screen, even though it's gonna look ugly. And then I'm gonna go to the groceries to buy some snacks. Okay. So we got here. We print the sender ID. We print all messages. Print the sender ID. Collection of messages. Oh, wait a minute. It should have just done it all. Now that I see it here. Tisk, tisk, tisk. What is wrong? Okay. Yeah. Actually, it should have shown up on the UI already. Okay. Yeah, should have done it. Huh. Strange. Okay. Maybe I just need to make it prettier for it to show up. And by making it prettier, I mean like create the UI like properly and whatnot. Okay. Let's do this. HStack. Okay. HStack, VStack, cool. Padding, background color white. Maybe we should move that outside. Yeah, let's do it right there, I guess. I will say, after working on this... Oops, wrong one. Shit. 1 second. After working on this project for so long... Ugh, I don't know why it does that. I do feel a lot more confident in creating the UI for stuff. Oh, for Swift, I should say. I used to do web dev, React, Angular stuff, HTML, you know, that stuff, that all jazz. And I was pretty good at that. So then transitioning to this thing, I felt completely lost. But now I feel a little bit home. It's not the end of the world anymore. Oh, let's see. HStack, VStack. Have a button on top. Space it out, and the messages at the bottom. Okay, that sounds good to me. Oh, you know what? I could probably just use like a preview. I don't need to build it. The thing that sucks about having to like build or not even build really, but of using like AWS and whatnot is that you get charged per request. So I have to be careful how many times I run it. What's going on here? Okay. But my messages should be here. That's a little odd. Okay. We'll figure out why it's ugly. But next, the first thing is, why is it the message is showing? Should show up. Oh, I think I know why. So I do on appear. I set the collection here. And I think it's over, if that makes sense. Actually, it's a state variable. Whenever this, oh, I see. Never mind. I remember now. That's bad on me. What was I saying? So the reason why the messages aren't showing up is because once the chat page appears, I say to filter it and set it onto the collection of messages. Wait a minute. Oh, well, actually, I'll just finish the explanation. Maybe then I'll like catch myself. The screen appears. I say to filter the messages. Oh, maybe this is the issue too. Okay, let's write that down. Potential errors. This predicate. Predicate. Okay, that's one potential issue. The other potential issue is gonna be that since I do this after the screen appears, it's like too late, you know? Like I have my messages, the screen appears, it filters it, but then the message, the the screen already appeared. Like, you're too late. That's possible. However, the one reason why I don't think that's the case is because here I have it as a state variable. So whenever collection of messages changes, it should change as well. Like, oh, I mean, sorry. Once collection of messages updates, like the values of it updates, then the screen should also update. However, the reason that's why I think that's fine. Like, that's why this on appear stuff isn't an issue. However, since it is a collection, state only state monitors that property collection of messages and checks if it's been destroyed. So if I'm appending something to it, it's not going to be able to detect those changes. It's only if I recreate a new list and then assign that list, that's when it notices. And so that's one of the reasons why I think it could possibly be that the timing of things. However, I'm doing the filter and then I'm assigning it. So I'm essentially destroying collection of messages here, and it should then update. So I feel that I'm like 90% certain that the predicate, this is my issue. This is always false, so it always leaves it empty, and so no messages get no messages get seen, no messages get populated. I'm pretty confident. I feel pretty good about that one. 90% sure. Don't care. We already fixed this. Fast forward. Don't care, fixed it already. Alright. Just fast forward. Sender ID. Oh. E9 this. I wish it would just whatever's. That one. Yeah, I think it needs to be okay. That one. See, it's always wrong. So it's always empty. Okay, good to know. Oh, I noticed. Oh, wait. Cool, perfect. And the reason why this predicate will work, I was just using the wrong property. It shouldn't be ID, but it should be oh, is it receiver or user? I think I said user, right? User. No? Okay. No IntelliSense. Blows. User profile. ID. I think it's that. Now should be good. Oh no. What's wrong? Value of type message model has no okay. Oh, okay. I never created that. Okay. Cool. Now I can actually put the name, call it sender ID, so I don't have to be confused so much. Just plan. Cool. Perfect. Not done yet because during the translation I never assigned a sender ID. Oops, get out of here. Get out of here. Here we are. See, message ID and that I need to assign the next thing. Message dot this thing. Now we should be good. Or no? Okay. I hate that. Order matters so much. I mean, it makes sense, but still. Yep. Now I have confidence that this should work. Yes. Okay. I'm like 99% sure. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, after this, I need to go to the market because I need more food. Yeah, I'm just hungry. Sender ID. What? I'm trying to think. What went wrong? Try try one more time. Sender ID. Maybe it's not sender then. Okay, maybe it's other. Oh, okay, I know what it is. It needs to be the other one. Has to be this. Has to be that. After this, going to the groceries, buy some snacks. Try to get some more food and fruit. I'm out of fruit. Do I need anything else for Valentine's Day? I don't think so. Okay. Bam, sender ID. Perfect. You get in. You get in. And you get in. Oh. Let's get rid of that one. Third message using the wrong function. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Okay. Yeah, we did it. Obviously it needs to look a bit nicer. It needs to cover the entire screen. But yeah, that's progress, guys. It's progress, y'all. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. That being said, I guess it's just a bit of a short stream today. I don't want to say I wasn't in the mood to do it, but rather I was just really tired today. I stayed up all night, and so I was pretty exhausted. But yeah, I'm glad we got to at least finish that. We got the messages to display. There's more work to be done, obviously, we need to make a new query in order to retrieve all the messages, because right now I'm only asking for 3, but that's a good place to be right now, you know? We got some stuff to appear, and we're on track. Okay. With that being said, I think I'll see you guys on Thursday. Hopefully on Thursday. I'm trying to do a podcast with my friend. In terms of topics, we're gonna revisit them again. Obviously, cover the GameStop stuff because that's just all over. That's everywhere. But stay tuned for that. And then I think I'll also stream on Friday and not Saturday and Sunday because I have a weekend getaway, I guess. A special weekend getaway date. Yeah. All right. With that being said, good night, y'all. Check out the podcast and the Friday stream and the YouTube channel and Twitter so that you guys can all keep up and whatnot. Okay. Adios.